Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video I'm going to show you a free method where you can get paid from Google just like this. $29,756.22, $18,095.21, and even $9,147.19. Now imagine getting paid just like this every single month for doing something that doesn't require a lot of time. Heavy lifting is done for you, and it doesn't even require any kind of investment. That's right, you can do this for free, sitting at home, from the comfort of your home, doing a simple work, a simple task, and Google's gonna pay you huge sums of money every single month. Really powerful. Ready for this? Let's dive into this video. Keep watching this video. If you really want to do this, make sure you watch this video right to the end, because this one video is more than enough to change your life. This one video is more than enough to make you a millionaire. So let's get into this. So step one, what you need to do is you need to go to google.com and you need to type in Google Books Partners Center, and you're going to see this first link right down here. It's called Google Play Books Partner Center. Then you're going to come here and you're going to reach this website. Now you probably don't know about this, but did you know that you could create a book and upload it to Google, and then Google's going to pay you for every time someone reads that book, someone gets that book, someone buys that book. That's right. People are going to go there, read the book, buy the book. You're going to get paid. Google's going to pay you for this, and a lot of people don't know about this. Now, you're probably thinking, wait a moment, I don't know what to write. I don't know what... I'm going to teach you everything in this video, how to write the book, how to get the book done, how to upload it, and how to start making money just like this, okay? So you can see here, when you come here to this website, okay, you can see 75 plus countries, 3 plus billion people. There are over 3 billion active monthly Android devices around the world. These are the readers who's going to read these books, okay? And if you scroll down, you could see what other people are saying. So what is the steps to this? First of all, you create an account. Step 2, publish your book. Step 3, promote your book, okay? And step 4, start earning money. So how much Google is going to pay you for creating a book and publishing it onto their website? You will earn 70% revenue split for sales in 60 plus countries, regardless of price. See revenue split, frequently asked questions for details. Okay, so you could get started down here, create your account and start publishing books. So it's very simple and very, very easy. So that brings us to step 2. First, step 1 is create your account in the Books Partner Center, okay? Step 2 is, what kind of book are we going to create? We're just not going to create a random book. We are going to create something that people are willing to read, okay? So we need to look for something that is trending right now, okay? So we're going to come here, we're going to go to trends.google.com, we're going to click on trending now, and then we're going to select the country. Now most likely you want to select United States, and the reason is because that's where the most buyers are, okay? So I'm going to select United States. Alright, we're going to come here and we're going to go past 48 hours, okay? And there you go. We could see here, we could come to home page, or we could go to trending now, okay? And then it's just going to come up with everything that is trending now. So because here 7 hours ago it's all about Outlook, and this is all about other stuff down here. You could even select the different categories as well. So you could go into business and finance, you could go into law and government, you could go into sports, etc, etc, okay? So that's the first thing. You're going to find a trending topic and you're going to create a book around that book. Now how are you going to create a book, okay? So we're going to use a tool, okay? Now remember one thing, a lot of people create books using AI, okay? And that's going to get disapproved. In fact, if you create a book using AI and you publish it on Google and Google finds out, Google's going to suspend your account. But there's a way to bypass this, okay? And I'm going to give you a tool that will bypass this. Not just bypass this, actually it will create a whole blog post in a format of a book that is SEO optimized, that means your article and your blog post is going to be found on Google, on the search engines, and you're going to receive huge amounts of traffic. And that website is called SEO Writing AI. All links are going to be in my description box below this video. You could join this website for free using the links in my description box below this video. Okay, so once you click the link in the description box below this video, you're going to come to a page just like this. Okay, and you're going to click on sign up. Alright, and when you click on sign up, you're going to enter your name, you're going to enter your email address, you're going to create a password, and you're going to click on sign up down here. Alright, and when you click on sign up, you're going to come to a dashboard just like this. Now, what is the function of this SEO Writing AI? It will bypass. It's a tool that will create this entire article for you with using the humanizer tool. Rewrite your article in SEO humanization and readability, improving your Google ranking. It will make it sound like a real human has wrote this entire article, entire blog post, and this whole book is going to be created using this powerful tool with SEO optimization, which means Google, Bing, Yahoo, Outlook, all these top search engines are going to love the article, love your blog post whenever you publish it anywhere on the web, and you're going to be ranked, you're going to be receiving traffic, and a lot of cool stuff is going to be happening. Okay, so you're going to come down and let's just show you the functionality of this product. This product is so powerful. You can do so many stuff. It creates images for you, it creates videos for you, it creates blog posts for you, it creates articles for you, it's a SEO optimized. It has the version of bypassing the AI verification, which means on completely done for you. It will create everything, but still when the robots behind the scenes starts reading it, it will able to realize that it's created by AI, and it will bypass everything for you. It could create the newsletters for you, okay, and also it could syndicate this entire content for you across the social media platforms, and it will give you a snippet that you can use to post on your social media platforms to get huge amounts of traffic. Very simple and very easy. So what we're going to do now, we are going to go use this tool to create our book. So simple, so easy. Links in the description box below this video. Click on that link and create your free account. So let's get into this. So what we're going to do, okay, if you just click on this humanizer, it's telling us what this tool can do for you. Okay, so you can see here, you read everything, play around with this, and it will go out there and create this entire article for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this one-click blog post, okay? And it's going to create this entire article for me. So first of all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to enter the main keyword. Like I said, you want to create a book around the trending topics. I have already selected my topics. So I'm going to go for this one here, okay? So I'm going to come back here. I'm just going to enter this here. Survival taxes against natural disasters, okay? Or you could do survival attacks. Just leave it as is, and I'm going to click on generate title. It's going to generate my title. It's going to be something like this, all right? And then I'm just going to scroll down, and I'm going to leave everything as it is. So English US, leave it friendly. Tone of voice is going to be friendly. Let's just see what we can do here. Just leave it as none, okay? Target country, I'm just going to put United States for now, okay? And then I'm going to come back up, and I'm going to put large, okay? Large means it's going to create a 3,000 to 5,000 word article for me, okay? AI model, very important, okay? What we're going to do, we're going to use the, okay, now this is for paid plans, okay? So if you're on a free plan, you might just want to use GPT-4 mini and GPT-4, okay, AI model. Otherwise, normally it's recommended to use the last model of GPT, all right? This will do a very good job for you, but this is for paid plans, okay? So you can upgrade your account. It's very affordable, very cheap, by the way, okay? But if you're on a free plan, then you just want to use this one here that you're seeing here, okay? And then enable web key, just leave it as it is. Humanize text, very important. This is where the magic happens, okay? So you can see here, 8th and 9th grade easily understood, Okay, you have 11-year-old, grade, easy to read, conversion. This is what we want. Okay, we want this one. 6th grade, easy to read, conversational language. Okay, we can scroll down. In test mode, each section we're just going to leave it as it is. AI images, yes. Number of images, yes. We're going to keep on scrolling down, and then we're going to come here, SEO. This is very, very powerful. All right, so we're going to click on here, and it's going to generate all these keywords for us. This is what's going to happen when it comes to your article. It's going to paste these kind of keywords into your articles, and so if you publish this post onto a website, most likely you're going to get ranked on Google. All right, we're going to come down, conclusion, tables, yes, 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 everything. Internet link, I'm just going to leave this blank. Okay, link type, we're going to leave it blank. Access, connect to web. Currently you connect to web is off, limiting you are pre-trained data in the videos. We're just going to leave it none for now. Alright, and this is where you can see the power. Okay, now if you click yes on any of this, it's going to give you a snippet that you can use to publish this onto social media to start getting a lot of traffic. Okay, link to page, we're just going to leave it as it is. Okay, enable the outline editor, leave it as it is. Targeted website, if you have a website, you can put a website down here. I just don't want to leave it, I just want to leave it as it is. Okay, so there you go, we've got all the settings in place. What we're going to do, we're going to click on run. Okay, and now this is going to go out there and do all the heavy lifting for me. Okay, so I'm going to come back in a few minutes and show you how it's going to look like. Okay. Okay, so the whole blog post is ready, and check this out. Oh my word, you're gonna love this. Check this out. Look at the images he has created, and this whole entire article with the bullet points inside. Okay, as you can see, earthquake, floods, okay, hurricanes and tornadoes, and this is a YouTube video as well. Alright, so check this out. This is so much powerful. Alright, using this free SEO Writing AI has done a great job for me, and here's my article, 2,720 words. Okay, if you want to join this free software, link in my description box below this video. Create a free account, start utilizing this, because this is going to be very, very powerful. So what you're going to do now is you're going to copy this entire article, and you're going to go to Google Drive. Okay, and you're going to create, go here, go to the Google Docs, and you're going to paste this article. All right, so I have the whole article right down here. I have pasted everything right down here, so you can see here everything is being written down here. And then those YouTube videos that you just saw inside the article, if I come back here, okay, you see this YouTube video down here which is related to the article. It's not going to come up here. So what you need to do is you need to come here, and you just click on right click and click here, copy video URL. And when you come into your article down here, you're just going to come here and you're going to paste that URL here, and it's going to highlight it, and then you're going to have that whole link down here. Okay, make sure you do that, because your YouTube video is not going to show up. It's just going to show up like a link, something down here. So you're just going to right click it, and then it's going to give you an option to copy video or URL and paste video URL. You just do that, and this is going to be a clickable link for you. All right, so now we have this entire article. What we're going to do is we're going to name this. So the essential survival tactics against natural disaster, I have already named it down here, natural disaster survival guide. And then what you're going to do, you're going to go to files, you're going to click on download, and you're going to save this as a PDF. Okay, that's job done. Now we need to go to the next step. The next step is we need to create a book cover. So how are we going to do that? Now, before I teach you how to create a book cover, let me know if you're getting value from my video. If you are getting value and you're loving my video, please, it will be appreciated if you could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video, and also leave a comment for me. All right, I'm here to help you. I want to see you make multiple 4, 5, and 6 figures online. My training has helped thousands of people make money online. So if you're struggling with anything, just leave a comment for me, and I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. I'm always replying to all the comments below, because I want to see you succeed online. So with any struggle you have, just leave a comment, let me know your biggest struggle, and I will be more than happy to answer your question. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. So let's get to the next step. How are we going to create a book cover? So we're going to go to Google and we're going to type in Leonardo. Okay, when you type in Leonardo, you're going to come to a software. Okay, so if you type in Leonardo AI, you're going to come to this link here. You're going to click on this link, and when you click on this link, it's going to bring you to this software down here. This is a great software that's going to create the book for you. So we're going to click on image creation. Okay, and I just forgot one more thing. What we need to do is when we go into our PDF that we just downloaded, we're going to copy this entire article. Okay, we're going to copy everything down here. Okay, and then we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to paste that entire article down here. All right, and then we're going to have this here at the end. Okay, so not this. Okay, let me just show you this here. This is a disclaimer. Make sure before you download this PDF, okay, onto your computer, you have this disclaimer at the end. This is very, very important. This ebook was crafted with the assistance of AI technology and has clarity of content organization while from your site, and viewpoints are true and verified. All right, so make sure you have this disclaimer. This is very, very important. I just forgot to tell you about this. Okay, so this is the disclaimer we're going to have, and then we're going to copy this entire article, paste it into ChatGPT, and then at the end we're going to tell ChatGPT, create a book cover idea and a prompt that I can give to an image generation AI to create a highly engaging cover for the book that I just listed above. Okay, and then we're going to click on here and let's see what ChatGPT has to offer to us. All right, so we're just going to give it a couple of minutes, and ChatGPT is going to give me an entire book cover idea with a prompt that I can use and give to Leonardo. All right, so we're just waiting for ChatGPT to do its job, and once it's done, I will be back and I will be showing you how powerful this is. Okay, so ChatGPT has come up with a prompt. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this entire prompt down here. I'm going to go to the Leonardo software down here, okay, and I'm going to use that prompt. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, and you could see here that this is the prompt. We're going to use that. We're going to just copy and paste it in here. We're going to click on generate, and it's going to go and generate. Let me just talk about the left hand side panel. So we're going to leave it as auto. We're going to leave this as dynamic. Okay, we're going to leave this as medium. That's okay. We're going to leave it fast. If you're a paid member, you could use the quality one, and we're going to use this image dimension as 1.1. Just leave it as it is. Everything is looking cool and good, and we're just going to paste that prompt into here, and the Leonardo is going to go out there and create your book cover. And check this out, my friend. Check this out. Look at these book covers. All right, these are looking good book covers. So what you're going to do, you're just going to click on that and you're going to download the image. This is going to be your book cover. All right, all done for free to get paid money just like this. All right, now what you're going to do, you're going to go back to Google and you're going to click on get started, and when you click on get started, you're going to enter all your information down here. All right, you could click on publish. You're going to publish a name, the name of your business of your own. If you are self-publishing, you're going to enter all the details, follow the steps along. Okay, and then you're going to create your account and publish your book on Google. All right, and you're going to do this and keep on doing this with free books. Okay, and when you do this, they're going to list your book onto their website, onto their Play Store, and you're going to start getting readers, start getting buyers, and this is how Google is going to start paying you just money like this, and like this. All right, so that's all for now. If you love my video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.